Hi there. So, as I said, I've received my free sample kit from Caravans this morning. So it came neatly packaged, took just a couple of days to arrive, and it comes with the samples you requested. So straight away I noticed reasonably sized samples for you to look at. So to begin with, the Dodo mat product, which is used for sound deadening. So this is a adhesive stick-on application that you then use with a roller to firmly grip to your larger panelled surfaces. So it's good to at least begin to see and feel what that looks like.